Here I have Lenovo TAB 4.8, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key and volume down at the same time for about 5 or 7 seconds like this. And after that your device will be forcefully restarted. Or just shut down, so you have to turn it back on by holding power key once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.